am, of course, Merlin. I would like to share my story with you so you know how my life evolved, and how I landed here. I was found as a baby by Pierre and Penelope Pirouette one cool summer's eve in Franconia. The Pirouettes fell in love with me and adopted me. Recalling the legends of King Arthur, they named me Merlin. We slowly traveled around the world. The topic I couldn't learn enough about was lost civilizations. In fact, I discovered an ancient manuscript. It spoke of an awesome force known only as a gravity point. You see, gravity points allow smaller objects like ourselves to stick and cling to an axis like a magnet, and large things like the room to revolve. The manuscript also spoke of fiery red lights like fireflies that would dance above the special spot. I was so intrigued by this gravity point, I searched the world far and wide until I found one, right here in the White Mountains of New Hampshire, not far from where it all began. After arriving here, I found that time stands perfectly still. So while inside, none of you will age a single moment. It seems I have found the secret to eternal youth. Today, I am away on a very important quest. Fortunately, my apprentice is here and will share with you some magic that I have taught them. Well, my new friends, be brave, always be nice, and enjoy. We'll see you around. Oh, that reminds me, if you have motion sickness, you should not go any farther. You there, yes you, please knock 3 times using that door knocker. Thank you. Please enter and go all the way down to my apprentice before sitting down.
Over here. They lined on that side of the wall, we lined on this side.
Small children, I would ask you to place them on your laps when sitting down, please. That way we can use the spaces in the seating.
Here, let me sit in the middle, please. Or Layla sit next to me. Someone needs to sit next to me.
Alright, I see that you guys decided to stay despite the previous warnings. However, this is your last chance to leave if feeling afraid. Other than that, sit back, relax, keep your feet always on the floor. If your child has small leg length, they can sit all the way back and relax. If your child is afraid, you can place them on your laps, facing forward at all times. If your child still feels afraid, you can tell them to tilt their head back, close their eyes, and let out a good scream.
So you can stay back here.
Alright, does anyone have second thoughts, doubts, fears, and opinions? Now is the time to act upon them. Otherwise, the handlebars will be lowered.
Okay. You gotta hold on to this.
Let it come to you. Alright. Before I go any further, the magic is not going to spin you very fast or drop you at all. It's going to spin you very slow, and you will go slow. Now, did every child hear me? Alright. Buckle up. Notice that was a joke. Wave goodbye to the outside world, for you may never see it again. Maybe someday.
Oh, look, Bella. There's horses.
Do note, once the magic starts, there is no turning back. So beware and witness the power of Merlin's mystical mansion.
Yes, they see it.
today. Come back if you dare.
Okay, we're gonna walk up that way, single file.
I want to do this again.
Oh, let's see what time it is. You gotta get something to feed you guys.
Yeah.
I don't eat all that.